The wait is over. After 15 years, the Toyota 4Runner makes its epic return with the 2025 model, and it's nothing short of a game changer. This isn't just an update, it's a total reinvention that combines the rugged power fans know and love with the advanced features modern drivers demand. Under the hood, Toyota has made bold moves. Say goodbye to the old V6 and hello to the iForce 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This powertrain delivers 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smoother and more efficient performance. Whether you're tackling tough trails or navigating city streets, this engine strikes the perfect balance of power and practicality. But if you want to take things up a notch, the iForce Max Hybrid powertrain is here to blow your expectations away. Found in trims like the TRD Pro and Trailhunter, it pairs the turbocharged engine with a 48 horsepower electric motor, producing a jaw-dropping 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. With this powerhouse, the 4Runner dominates off-road challenges and rivals like the Ford Bronco, proving it's still the king of adventure SUVs. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of ruggedness and modernity. The base model offers an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims boast a massive 14-inch display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Add in features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a smart key system, and the 4Runner is as tech-savvy as it is tough. This isn't just about features or power, it's about legacy. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner carries its legendary toughness into a new era of hybrid innovation, offering unmatched versatility for every type of journey. From wild terrains to urban landscapes, the 4Runner proves it's not just back, it's better than ever. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. With cutting-edge hybrid performance, advanced tech, and a design rooted in its iconic heritage, this model redefines adventure. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer, one thing is clear: the 4Runner is ready to reclaim its throne as the ultimate adventure vehicle. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is making headlines with a revolutionary shift, introducing hybrid technology to its rugged, adventure-ready DNA. Renowned for its off-road capabilities and durability, this latest upgrade adds fuel efficiency to the mix. But here's the real question: will this innovative hybrid Fortuner make its way to Australia? Toyota has already rolled out a 48-volt mild hybrid Fortuner in South Africa, combining a 48-volt battery and an electric motor generator with the well-known 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. The result? A notable 5% improvement in fuel efficiency while maintaining its signature power. For off-road lovers, this means greater performance with a reduced carbon footprint, a win-win for both adventure and sustainability. Despite its success in South Africa, the Australian launch remains uncertain. Toyota has already introduced the same 48-volt hybrid technology in models like the Hilux and the next-gen Land Cruiser Prado, sparking hope for a Fortuner upgrade. But one roadblock could change everything: where the SUV is built. The Fortuner units sold in Australia are manufactured in Thailand, where this hybrid system has yet to be implemented in production. Without Toyota expanding its hybrid capabilities there, Australian buyers might be left waiting, or worse, miss out on this upgrade entirely. The hybrid Fortuner in South Africa shares its performance stats with the Australian Hilux V Active, producing 150 kilowatts of power and 500 Newton meters of torque. This means it retains its off-road capabilities and towing strength, ensuring that performance remains a priority. However, there's a catch: South African buyers are paying an extra 11,000 Rand, about $900 for the hybrid model. If Australia gets the hybrid Fortuner, pricing will be a key factor in its success. Since its Australian debut in 2015, the Fortuner has faced stiff competition, with its last major refresh happening in 2020. Now, with rivals like the Ford Everest and the Land Cruiser Prado dominating the segment, Toyota needs a strong move to stay ahead. A hybrid Fortuner could be just what's needed to maintain its edge in the growing fuel-efficient SUV market. Toyota is making major strides in hybrid technology, but the fate of the 2025 Fortuner in Australia remains uncertain. As demand for fuel-efficient SUVs rises, bringing this model down under could reshape Toyota's approach in the region. For now, fans can only wait and hope that Toyota delivers a Fortuner that's not just tough, but also smarter and more efficient. This might be the most exciting off-roader coming in 2026, and it's not what you think. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is making serious waves, promising a mix of rugged power and compact size that hasn't been seen in years. Originally set for a 2024 launch, its rollout was pushed to early 2026 due to manufacturing and regulatory delays. But don't let that discourage you, anticipation is higher than ever. Toyota's vision is clear: deliver an affordable off-road machine without compromising the iconic Land Cruiser spirit. Back in 2023, Toyota gave us a taste of what was coming with a teaser design based heavily on the compact cruiser EV concept. The design language? Retro, squared off, and clearly built for trails. Think compact but muscular, bigger than a Corolla Cross but smaller than a RAV4. Measuring about 177 inches long, 72 inches wide, and standing 72 inches tall with a 108-inch wheelbase, the FJ is boxy in all the right ways. High ground clearance, beefy tires, and a classic rear-mounted spare screen, ready for dirt. Most compact SUVs stick with soft road manners, but not this one. The upcoming FJ is expected to ride on a true ladder frame platform, the kind you'd find in serious off-road vehicles. Word is, it shares its bones with the Hilux Champ, Toyota's bulletproof pickup truck. That means this isn't just a daily driver with off-road looks, it's designed for real-world adventure. Expect it to feature 4-wheel drive, a Torsen limited slip differential, and a build that can muscle through mud, sand, and rocks alike. While Toyota hasn't locked in the engine lineup yet, speculation is strong. Early talks hinted at both gasoline and hybrid powertrains, but a gas-powered version might launch first. The 2.7-liter four-cylinder used in the Hilux Champ seems like a front-runner, offering 161 horsepower and 181 lb-ft of torque. That's solid for global markets, though buyers in the US might crave a bit more grunt. Still, it's a reliable, proven power plant that won't break the bank. The FJ is expected to launch globally in early 2026. In Japan, pricing could start around $26,600 to $30,000. Meanwhile, North American models may start near $35,000 and climb past $45,000 depending on trim. Compared to the full-size Land Cruiser, which starts at $56,450 in the US, the FJ offers a way more accessible path into Toyota's off-road legacy, without skimping on capability or design. Bold aesthetics, real off-road bones, and flexible engine options make the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ one of the most anticipated releases in years. It's perfect for outdoor lovers who want the thrill of a Land Cruiser without the massive size or cost. Whether you're crawling through rocks or just parking at the trailhead, this compact beast is built to impress, and it's coming soon. Toyota is turning the page with the upcoming 2026 RAV4, introducing a bold redesign that shifts the popular SUV into a fresh new era. After dominating the segment for years, the RAV4 is now getting a rugged overhaul. Early prototype sightings in Detroit suggest this next-gen model will strike a balance between modern sophistication and off-road-ready toughness without losing the practicality fans love. Visually, the transformation is hard to miss. The overall silhouette of the RAV4 is more squared and upright than before. The windshield sits at a steeper angle, while the rear stands taller and boxier, creating a bolder road presence. These changes are more than just cosmetic, they also hint at expanded cargo space and a more versatile interior. The rear lights now sport a wider, more angular look, replacing the slimmer vertical units seen on current models. Toyota hasn't just changed the look, they've given the front end a major tech-inspired refresh too. Drawing cues from the sleek Toyota Crown, the 2026 RAV4 features slimmer LED headlights and a horizontal light bar that stretches across the grille's upper edge. Below that, a more pronounced and sculpted grille adds to the RAV4's upscale yet aggressive attitude, putting it visually in line with Toyota's premium SUVs. Under the skin, big changes are brewing as well. Toyota plans to offer the RAV4 exclusively with hybrid powertrains, either a standard hybrid or a plug-in variant. The existing hybrid system already impresses with nearly 39 miles per gallon in mixed driving. Meanwhile, the plug-in hybrid promises up to 42 miles of EV-only range. With improvements expected, the RAV4 could set new benchmarks for fuel economy in its class. Along the sides, signature trapezoidal wheel arches return, reinforcing the RAV4's rugged DNA. Vertical C-pillars contribute to a boxier rear end, improving usability behind the second row. Taillights now wrap subtly around the fenders, helping the SUV look wider and more stable on the move. Powertrain updates mirror what Toyota recently debuted in the 2025 Camry. Expect a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors in front-wheel drive models, delivering a combined 225 horsepower. All-wheel drive variants add an extra motor on the rear axle, boosting output to 232 horsepower for better traction and punch. The full reveal of the all-new RAV4 is anticipated later this year, with showrooms expected to see it before 2025 ends. Toyota will roll out the hybrid version first, followed by the plug-in hybrid. Starting prices are projected to sit in the low $30,000 range, making this SUV a serious contender in the compact crossover market. Toyota is rewriting the Highlander playbook. The 2026 Highlander is coming back not with small tweaks, but a full-blown transformation. It's ditching its traditional gas-only engine and going all in on electrified power. This is the boldest shift yet for one of Toyota's most trusted three-row SUVs. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid will now define the Highlander experience. More power, more tech, more purpose. At its core, the upcoming Highlander may still rely on Toyota's trusted 2.5-liter hybrid system. With 2 electric motors teaming up to produce 243 horsepower, this setup delivers both reliability and efficiency, offering up to 35 miles per gallon whether you're driving downtown or on the open highway. It's a solid, proven option that's earned its place. Toyota could raise the stakes by dropping in the hybrid max system seen in the Grand Highlander. This high-output configuration uses a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine and electric motors to unleash 362 horsepower, giving the Highlander sharper acceleration and a stronger presence on the road. With fuel economy still hovering near 26 miles per gallon city and 27 highway, it's performance that doesn't punish your wallet. Toyota might finally bring plug-in tech to this SUV. If it mirrors the RAV4 Prime or Prius Prime, expect the Highlander PHEV to go over 40 miles on electric power alone. That means school runs and grocery trips without using a drop of gas, while longer drives are still backed by a combustion engine. It's flexibility at its finest. Don't expect the Highlander to grow in size. Toyota already has the Grand Highlander for those needing extra room. Instead, the 2026 version will likely retain its solid second-row space and useful cargo area, around 48.5 cubic feet with the third row folded. The third row remains best for younger passengers, just like before. Inside, a digital leap is expected. Out goes the small screens of old, and in comes 12.3-inch or even 14-inch displays, lifted from Lexus models. You can count on wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a full suite of advanced safety features. Add in premium touches like a head-up display, hands-free liftgate, and upgraded audio, and it's clear the Highlander's interior is going luxury light. With this shift to full electrification, starting prices could hover around $49,000. That's a step up from gas-only models, but in line with what hybrid buyers already pay. Toyota is playing it smart, balancing technology, performance, and family function. Full specs should land by mid-2025, with an official release toward the end of the year. Blending hybrid efficiency with just the right amount of punch, the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid is designed for real-world versatility. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter engine teamed up with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive comes standard, offering steady traction no matter the conditions. With fuel ratings of up to 45 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, it's a vehicle that balances pep with practical savings. Toyota's design team has added fresh energy to the Corolla Cross Hybrid's appearance. Borrowing cues from its global counterparts, the 2026 model features a new honeycomb-style front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a resculpted rear bumper. The addition of new alloy wheel designs enhances its visual appeal, giving the SUV a confident and slightly sportier edge that blends utility with style. Inside, drivers are greeted by a modernized dashboard centered around a crisp 10.1-inch touchscreen, alongside a sharp 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. These updated displays transform the cabin experience, making everything from maps to music more responsive and visually clear. Toyota's latest user interface adds a welcome touch of convenience and connectivity for daily use. On the road, the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid impresses with its well-tuned suspension setup that handles bumps and potholes with grace. Its independent suspension layout allows for a stable, confident feel whether you're cruising through city streets or navigating back roads. One note to consider: while handling is solid, the brake pedal may feel a little softer than some drivers are used to, something to keep in mind during quick stops. Toyota continues to make safety a priority, and the Corolla Cross Hybrid is no exception. The latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 package includes advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection with emergency braking, and a rear seat reminder. It's a full suite aimed at reducing stress and enhancing security on every drive. When it comes to compact SUVs, the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid doesn't try to steal the spotlight. It earns it with consistency and quality. From fuel savings to user-friendly tech and proven reliability, this SUV fits effortlessly into everyday life. If you're looking for something dependable, modern, and efficient without breaking the bank, this hybrid checks all the right boxes. The 2025 Toyota Sequoia doesn't just show up, it storms onto the scene with unstoppable force. Its fierce design, powerful hybrid engine, and no-compromise attitude are here to shake up the SUV world. If you think all full-size SUVs are the same, think again. This one's rewriting the rules. The Sequoia's bold exterior and aggressive styling make sure you're noticed wherever you drive. Built on the same tough underpinnings as the Toyota Tundra, this SUV brings ruggedness to a segment packed with rivals like the Ford Expedition and Chevy Tahoe. But here's the twist. The Sequoia doesn't follow trends, it sets them, thanks to its distinctive shape and hybrid-only lineup. Beneath the sculpted hood, you'll find a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor, forming the mighty iForce Max hybrid system. Together, they churn out an impressive 437 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 583 lb-ft of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, while rear-wheel drive comes standard and four-wheel drive is available or included, depending on the trim, especially the trail-taming TRD Pro. Don't let its large frame fool you, the Sequoia can move. The capstone trim, equipped with four-wheel drive, rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds, outrunning the GMC Yukon Denali and nearly catching the Ford Expedition Timberline. Even the rugged TRD model keeps pace, reaching 60 miles per hour in a lively 5.9 seconds. For those craving dirt trails and rocky paths, the TRD Pro version is your go-to. With Fox shocks, a thick skid plate, chunky 33-inch all-terrain tires, and a locking rear differential, it's ready for serious off-road punishment. If you want off-road gear without going full pro, the TRD off-road package delivers features like hill descent control and crawl control for confident trail driving. If you need to haul heavy gear, the Sequoia steps up with a towing capacity ranging from 8,980 to 9,520 pounds, beating out most of its rivals. Upgrade to the tow technology package, and you'll get smart add-ons like a digital rearview mirror and trailer backup guide, making towing big loads feel like child's play. Starting at $64,120, the Sequoia is an investment, but it delivers serious bang for your buck. The top-tier capstone trim, at $85,660, wraps you in luxury and cutting-edge tech. Thanks to its hybrid heart, rear-wheel drive models boast an estimated 21 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway, and 22 miles per gallon combined. Opting for all-wheel drive slightly trims those numbers, but real-world highway tests still show around 19 miles per gallon for the loaded capstone.